Imagine a candidate accepted the offer but ghosted on the date of joining, or two employees fighting over credit for something. Now, if you're thinking, is this HR's work? Welcome to the real world of HR. Today, I'm sharing 5 HR skills that will not just get you a job, but will actually save you on the job. Hi, I'm Neha, a recruitment content creator and your Insta Wali HR. I've seen many HRs solving office drama, drinking chai while figuring out how to keep everyone happy at work. And trust me, these 5 HR skills, they are going to be your HR survival kit.
Skill 1. Communication and active listening.
HR is basically a people translator. Management talks, candidate talk, employees talk, and you have to make sense of it all. If you don't listen carefully, you spend your entire day clearing confusion instead of solving problems. Listening carefully, asking the right follow-ups can save careers and headaches. And when I say listening, I also mean reading between the lines. Because hiring manager and candidates can see something and mean something.
Skill 2. Recruitment basics.
Before policies, engagement, fancy HR tech, you need to know how to find the right people. Reading resumes, screening calls, making the people comfortable in the interview, that's the foundation. Think of it like dating for the company. You're matching skills with the culture. And if you do it well, the rest of HR becomes way easier.
Skill 3. Conflict resolution.
Workplaces is equal to humans is equal to drama. Sometimes they are huge. Sometimes they are tiny, but someone has to calm this down. Remember, you're not there to take sides. You are there to make people get back to work without feeling unheard. Tip: never start with who's right. Start with what's the real issue. This one line will save you hours of arguments.
Skill 4. HR tech and data.
Modern HR is part human, part tech wizard. Knowing HR tools like HRIS, payroll software, or even Excel can make you faster and smarter. And data isn't scary. It's just patterns. Imagine telling management, we have reduced attrition by 12%. You are no more just a paperwork department, but a whole strategic partner.
Amazing! Skill 5. Adaptability.
The HR world changes even faster than the policies can be printed. Yes. One day, it's hiring like crazy. The next day, it's a hiring freeze. Besides, AI is taking over all the repetitive tasks. So what stays valuable is you. Empathy, judgment, the human side, creative problem solving. So stay curious. HRs that learn fast, grow fast. These 5 skills are just the basics one. But honestly, if you start here, you're already ahead of 80% of the beginners. Want me to make a part 2? The advanced HR skills that may make you an HR BP someday? Comment HR growth and I'll make that happen. And hey, don't forget to subscribe Insta Wali HR if you really want to learn HR, not in a boring textbook way. See you in the next one.